Hey everyone. Today, let's dive into why Tome AI is the future of presentations. If you're still using traditional tools like PowerPoint, it's time to level up. So, what exactly is Tome AI? It's an AI-powered platform designed to transform storytelling and presentation creation. Unlike PowerPoint, Tome AI uses artificial intelligence to assist in designing presentations, making the process smoother and more intuitive. The core features of Tome AI are a game changer. Imagine generating interactive and visually appealing slides automatically. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few clicks, you can have a professional-looking presentation ready to go. Tome AI supports various templates and content formats from text and images to videos and GIFs. It's like having a creative assistant at your fingertips. You might be wondering, how practical is it? Well, it's incredibly user-friendly. Let me show you a step-by-step process. First, you input your topic or data. Then Tome AI uses its smart algorithms to generate a draft presentation. Next, you can customize the design, add multimedia elements, and tweak the content to fit your style. It's that simple. Industries from business professionals to educators can benefit the most from Tome AI. Imagine streamlining your business pitches, academic lectures, or even creative storytelling. It simplifies complex data visualization, saving you time compared to manual design. For non-designers, this is a lifesaver. You don't need any design skills to create stunning presentations. Tome AI handles sensitive or proprietary information securely, ensuring your content stays confidential. Now let's talk about the future. AI-powered storytelling and presentation design are here to stay. Tools like Tome AI are shaping the way businesses and individuals communicate, making it easier and more efficient. So if you're ready to revolutionize your presentation game, give Tome AI a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next one.